No. Go, Bubba. Go find the eggs.
Oh, of course. Teacher's pet. Oh, you're done?
Oops. Go, William.
Yeah, get him, boy, get him.
Hey, can I go?
Go, 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 go.
There's plenty of eggs.
Hello?
Go, Nana.
Look at this kid, look at this kid.
Who dumped their basket? Remember last time?
Oh my God.
I wish I had music.
It don't matter because you guys, once you get them all, we're going to divide them evenly.
No, we're not.
There's one there. There's one right here. Hey, there's one.
Everywhere.
Ooh, look, in there.
Oh, no, that's look at
Hey, there's one. There. Oh, yeah. There.
over there. There's a ton
There's a
over
whole
there.
yard full.
The whole yard.
All around the house.
Hey, who gets the pen? Who's going to get the pen? Who's going to get the pen?
He's gonna bypass it. A pen. Put it in. Just put it in your basket. Hurry up. Just put it in your basket, and then it's okay. Go. Oh my. Okay, there you go. Go get more. Baba, look.
Look over
Baba, 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 Baba. Get those, and then get those.
Hurry up, Anthony. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Here.
Go get some
Have
more.
those over there, Baba.
Alex. My daddy. My daddy.
Anthony, look over here. Anthony.
They didn't get mine in the tree. Look at mine in the tree. When they run out of the ground, they're going to start looking.
Anthony, bring your basket.
I see one.
I see a couple. They missed a bunch.
Yeah, they did miss a bunch.
Oh my God, I can't keep up with them.
They're heaving, dude. They're out of breath.
I got lots of eggs.
Who put them in the circles?
I don't know, but that's hilarious.
Really? Is that what you're looking for? There's still more. You guys passed up a lot.
Over here, look at all those over here.
Oh my gosh, look! Run, Bubba, run!
Let your brother get some.
He can't, he's just running.
He's kicking them and
Oh my God, they're gonna fight. Look at Bubba, he got strategy.
it's too heavy. There's so many, Bubba.
Oh my God, there's so many.
Look how many eggs I found. Look how many.
Look at the cars, look at the cars.
Look at the cars.
Look on top of the cars.
I see more.
This way, Bubba, go this way.
Hey, pick that egg up. On top of the car.
I heard that one had money in it.
Oh my gosh, I have lots of eggs.
Is your basket too full?
I think.
Where's the plastic bags? Bubba, go get that one.
It's a little baby one.
Just put your basket down on and start putting them in your pockets.
More. I see more.
I see a bunch over there.
Over there, Bubba.
That one get gone? Yeah, there's still
Oh, yeah.
Over there, Bubba. Look.
Bubba, look. Nana's basket's too full. Babe, do you have a plastic bag for Nana? William. William, look. William. Right here. Did you find them all?
Uh-huh.
Look at the trees.
There's one. There's one.
No one's gonna grab this one.
That's Nana. That's Nana.
Look straight ahead.
I see one more.
I see a few more. I see some over here.
I see a quarter.
Where?
I don't know.
I see some more in some trees. All in the bushes. You found it! Baba, come here! Baba, look! Where's the water come out of? The hose.
There's one. I see one in there. Found one. That one.
He's shaking the trees.
There's one. One here.
Look at the tree.
Hey, there's a small basketball.
That's not an egg. Look at the tree. Look down.
There's one. There's one in the tree.
I think that's it.
I have faith.
think you got everything?
There's no room in the bag. Put them in the
Yeah,
bucket.
there is.
Put them in the bucket.
There's some in here.
Jeez, what's with the attitude?
That's all the Easter eggs. I'm standing here.
What's wrong with her?
I don't know.
Go ahead.
I want to put some in the bag.
Did he get all the ones up there on the porch?
Yeah, he got them.
Hey, I got awesome.
You step on my flowers.
Let me see all your eggs.